there is the final. Yes. Oh yes. Drop 2 peanut tonight. Wanna come here. Wanna look here. Wanna remember when me telling us if we make a porridge with, I wanna drink it every week. Okay? Green plantain, oatmeal, cornmeal, ripe banana, Irish mash, coconut milk, peanut, honey, vanilla, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Yes, blend them up together and put them on the fire, make them boil. You see the little lump in there and the Irish mash. So now this I go stay up on the stove for an hour and boil. The Irish mash I go boil out. You see that? When that go down in your back, remember me tell you, now hold back. When you drink then something you for nobody and keep nobody strong. You see how me there jump up and down a dance my song? That is it. Wanna watch porridge a boil. You see? The Irish mash a boil out now. You see you not see them lump there no more? Yes. So it have another 20 minutes to go. As you can see. Before you see the thick Irish mash, them not have that no more. Yeah. Strong back me say. That is it. So while I'm there wait for my porridge to boil, me I drink my sour sap leaf tea. So I have a glass of water this morning when I wake up. And then now I have my sour sap tea. Then I have my porridge. I soon throw on my porridge when I share it out. You see, without porridge, if I not have crackers, I not drink that the porridge. I have to broke up crackers in my porridge. I soon show you. Now I drink my tea. And there is the final. Yes. Oh yes. Drop 2 peanut tonight. But also, if my porridge don't have enough crackers in there, me no want it. That is it. Me no want it. Me come to your yard and you give me a little porridge, make sure you have crackers. Because me not drinking.
Yeah, post that.
Paka. Some like it. Paka.
That's a prisoner food looking.
Prison food?
Prison food.
I saw my food used to look when me a pitney. My tea, my porridge. When me a pitney, me used to break up bread and crackers, and when me drink down the tea and have like a crumbs in the bread left in the tea, me use a spoon and paka it up. I used to do that when me a pitney. And even though me an adult, I'm not trained. I do it same way. This is when nobody wants it. Yes, I saw me like it.